the 400,000 class extreme off-road market, balancing off-road and intelligence has always been tricky. You either get weak off-road intelligence or superb off-road performance that sacrifices city functionality. While the earlier model with 100 kilometers pure electric range faced criticism, the 2026 version doubles it to 200 kilometers with an upgraded flash charging system and retains 800V support. Despite the price jump from $379 to $800 to $490 to $800, it brings notable improvements. Let's dive into its highlights. A robust body paired with advanced independent suspension. Equipped with BYD's self-researched and skinned ultra-intelligent hydraulic chassis, this is an official 8-tight hardcore off-road architecture, which is full of confidence. The comprehensive power of the front and rear dual motors of the 22.0T plug-in hybrid back is 550 kilowatts, with a torque of 760 weeks and 4.8 seconds and pure electricity of 200 kilometers. Zhou Yikong, a commuter, has a comprehensive endurance of over 1,300 kilometers, and he doesn't panic over a long distance. Third, the whole system is equipped with Huawei Qiankun ADS 4.0 driving assistance and 292 LIDAR 400,000 class hardcore off-road as standard. Driving assistance configuration can reach this level is very good. Compared with weekend off-road people who don't want to make up with daily intelligence, this car is very suitable. In terms of price, the 2026 Burst 8 has 3 flashing plates to choose from, and both 5-seater and 7-seater are $490 and $800. The 6-seat 42.782 flash 7-seat version is Shipation's stronger $490 800 picking Western standard with Cloud Skin Ultra 800 pair of flash charging. Tonight, there is no need to worry about thunder speaker cooling and heating refrigerator and Huawei ADS 4.0. It will spend 8,000 more yuan with 6-seat board for independent aviation seats and leg drags. 200 experience is better, suitable for the same price of Tank 700 and Cell Body Basic version 428,000, which often receives customers or waits for the elderly to travel, started to break out, which is nearly 10,000 cheaper, but pure electric endurance and flash recharging energy can't be given by Tank 700. The Outbreak sports a futuristic aesthetic, blending sleek design with off-road capability. The front features flying wing headlights and silver accents, while the suspended roof and black trim enhance its elegance. Measuring 5,195 meters in length, 1994 meters in width, and 1905 millimeters in height, it's a leader among medium and large SUVs. The 20-inch wheels with 275 wide tires complete its robust yet streamlined look. A full-size spare tire emphasizes its adventurous spirit, combining science and urban style, perfect for both city parking lots and rugged terrain. The Outbreak's interior redefines luxury with a 17.23-inch rotating control screen, dual 12.3-inch displays, and AI HUD for a modern touch. Nappa leather seats elevate comfort with a soothing ventilation feature. With 2 rows of heating, ventilation, and massage, long-distance trips become a breeze. A built-in car fridge, ambient lighting, and a fragrance box complete the thoughtful design. These million-class SUVs are willing to give the configuration of Explosive 8, which is also the standard of the whole series. The configuration is indeed sincere enough, and the rear space also has bright spots. The 29-20mm wheelbase bottoming space is relatively generous, and it is no problem to change the floor to an air mattress for camping after the 7-seat plate and 23 rows are electrically folded down with 1 button. 6-seat bar, equipped with independent 2-row aviation seats, with legs and ventilation and heating. The long-distance 2-row experience is not lost to the first-class 6,000-watt stacked square electricity function, but also can meet more outdoor needs. The wire stove projector is fine, although many 3-row spaces and household details of the same level are also in place. Where the Outbreak excels is its spaciousness, luxury, and capability on tough roads. A powerful 2.0T engine paired with dual motors produces 550 kilowatts of power, 760 newtons of torque, and a 4.8-second acceleration time. Its faultless motor performance combines with an advanced chassis for precise handling. Successful anti-lifting wheel, whole field inspection, leveling, and re-inspection. The conveying belt automatically softens and goes on a bad road. 1-button height chassis. It is in tank U-turn and star-like mode, and off-road novices can calmly deal with 800 flash charging and replenishing energy. Fast charging for 5 minutes can add 100 kilometers of battery life, saying goodbye to battery life anxiety. On the whole, the explosive power has more advantages than many square boxes, and the fuel consumption is lower. Finally, I'll give you a clear purchase suggestion. If you have a budget of about 420,000, you want one that can take the whole family off-road and commute in the city. At the same time, the flash charging baseboard of the new Energy Heart brand SUV, which is not outdated in intelligent technology, is a fairly balanced choice in this current price segment. From the price point of view, the bottom edge of the Tank 700 tires is deeper off-road, but it is nearly 10,000 more expensive, and there are not 800 mountains to fill the home. It can be seen that the ideal L9 space and comfort are heavier, but it is not available. Love the off-road ability budget is enough to ask the M9 Huawei's ecology is more mature, but the price is only 500,000 Jin. The unique feature of the Outbreak is that it is one of the rare cars at this price that can make 800 pairs of flash charging and Huawei driving at the same time. What do you think of this car? Let's comment together and keep chatting. That's all about this issue of the Sky Exploration Store. I'll see you next time.